Nope, that is an old video. Let me show you an updated version on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile kahit wala kang experience bilang virtual assistant. At kung wala ka pang LinkedIn, girl, paano ka makikita ng client? So here's how to make your LinkedIn profile client ready in less than 5 minutes. Step number 1 is obviously to create your profile. Just go to linkedin.com pagkatapos mag-create ka ng profile doon. Now let's talk about the photo. Sure it's clear, smiling, professional, hindi yung may barkada pic na krinap mo lang, girl. Ang sikreto para sa mga pictures ninyo, kapag naka-dark clothes kayo, dapat light yung background. At pag naka-light color naman kayo na top, dark yung background para mag-pop out kayo. Next, to create this banner, just go to Canva. Templates, type LinkedIn banner. Pag enter mo yan, girl, ang dami na dyan. But I do not suggest you creating something that would still have like your email because those stuff you can put inside your profile. Mas maganda yung atake na ganito siguro, unique value proposition lang ninyo or what you do. Next, let's talk about the header. Instead of just saying virtual assistant, bakit hindi mo sabihin na virtual assistant or kung ano yung service na ino-offer mo plus sino yung ino-offeran mo ng service mo or yung target market mo plus kung ano at paano mo matutulungan ang business nila. Guys, want me to share more about how to create unique value proposition? I-comment nyo na lang dyan. Next, let's talk about the about section. Dito mo sagutin yung sino ka, anong ginagawa mo, kanino ka tumutulong. Also, make sure to fill out the skills and the services section. Add your skills, sample works, kahit Google Drive link, okay na yan. You guys can actually use this prompt para i-optimize yung buong profile ninyo or pwede kayong pumunta sa Blue pagkatapos mag-comment lang kayo ng LinkedIn. We will send you the full guide and the prompt. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!